My name is Tahira Naqvi, and my presence here is for a very specific reason at this time, at this place. I'm going to talk a little bit about the written word. The written word is where it's all at eventually. That's what we've been talking about. We can't just talk and have a good meal and then go home. It's the ultimate product is the written word. So one of the things that the Imam Ali Research Center is going to do is to produce books and things that have been written. And I want to say that today we have two sets of books that were printed by the Imam Ali Research Center printing press, right? And they're over there. And today is Eid-e-Ghadeer, when we give and receive gifts. So we're all going to be giving something, and the giving consists, of course, of donations of all kinds. It also, at this point, includes not buying, actually, that's the wrong word. I've been struggling this afternoon with it. Taking books from that table and then leaving us a donation which will contribute towards creating greater numbers of written words for all of us that have to do with Islamic research.
That donation for the books is separate from what you guys are going to give us.
So there are all kinds of donations to be taking place.
Shayla will hand out the commitment forms to everybody. Please donate generously and take this seriously. Okay?
And one more thing, last thing. So we have on the table this book, which is called, for those of you who understand Urdu, Ahwale Ali Bazubane Ali. This was written by my father, late father, Sayyid Ikram Hussain Ishrat. I found the manuscript in his papers after he had passed away, and I waited several years wishing to publish it somehow, to bring it to fruition so it could be there. And the Imam Ali Research Center comes along, and the Imam Ali Research Center printing press comes along. Mehdi and I go back a long way. That was when we were just a dream in his head, and he was talking about it, and we were having little events at NYU in the Kevorkian Center. So that it took all this time for me to eventually have this book in my hand, and this is a gift to me, and this is my gift to my children and to my grandchildren. But I have copies here for any of you and all of you who would be interested, and this is going to be, through this, your gift, and other books as well. There's another one. Any translation to the Imam Ali Research. Thank you very much.